Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Kisi Hot. My name is Nipto Dennis Kuntu. Embattled former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua has been diagnosed with Takasubo cardiomyopathy, also known as broken heart syndrome, a condition that weakens the heart's main pumping chamber, the left ventricle. According to Harvard, Takasubo cardiomyopathy is a disease also known as cardiomyopathy, occurs when the lower part of the left ventricle balloons out with each heartbeat, causing the ventricle to resemble the Takasubo, a Japanese octopus trap. While the exact cause remains unknown, stress, both emotional and physical, is believed to trigger the condition. As you remember, on October 17th, 2024, Gachagua experienced intense chest pains and was rushed to Karen Hospital just before his scheduled cross-examination in the Senate's impeachment trial against him. However, the Senate proceeded with the motion, ultimately voting to remove him from office. Following his discharge, Gachagua commented on his turbulent year in office, if I may quote, "This past year has been hell, have been treated like an animal." End of the quote. Dr. Gikonyo noted that persons over 50 years, especially under prolonged high stress, are particularly vulnerable to this condition. Dr. Howard L. Lewin, chief medical editor at Harvard, explains that broken heart syndrome is often triggered by severe emotional or physical stress, such as the sudden loss of a loved one, serious accident, or a traumatic event. Symptoms can mimic those of heart attack, including chest pains and shortness of breath, but without the arterial blockages typical of heart attack. Patients may also experience sudden fatigue, sweat colds, or fat dizziness. Dr. Lewin states that broken heart syndrome results from changes in stress hormones such as adrenaline, which can stunt the heart, causing changes in the muscle cells or blood vessels that prevent the left ventricle from contracting effectively. Common triggers include severe emotional stress, sudden illness, or receiving bad news. Although most people recover fully within months, Although most people recover fully within few months, in rare cases, broken heart syndrome can lead to persistent symptoms or, in severe instances, even the fatal. Treatment typically involves heart failure medications such as beta blockers and ACE inhibitors, tailored to the severity of symptoms. Thank you for watching Kissy Hot.